of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate whose weight is 2.21 gram is ignited, and after ignition it is attaining a constant weight of 1.152 gram. What is the composition of the mixture? And also calculate the volume carbon dioxide evolved at 0 degree centigrade and 76 centimeter pressure. So these are carbonate compounds, so on heating it will produce a carbon dioxide gas. So calcium carbonate, if you heat it, it becomes your calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. And similarly, if you heat magnesium carbonate here, so magnesium carbonate on heating also it will produce your magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So these two products are there, and these two are gases. This will released as a gases, so we left these two compounds. And weight of calcium oxide and magnesium oxide is given 1.152. So if you take calcium carbonate as a gram, okay, and this as a b gram respectively, so total weight is given here at 2.21 gram. That is A plus B is you can see here, so it will be A plus B is equal to 2.21 gram. Okay, so we have to find out, suppose this is 100 grams, so what is the weight of calcium oxide, and for A gram what is the weight of calcium oxide, similarly for B gram. So if you take A gram, if you take this is 100 grams, so this will be your 56 gram. So for A gram it will be how much? So for A gram it will be 56 by 100 into A. This is for A gram. Similarly for magnesium, it will be your magnesium is your 24 plus 16, so it will becomes your 40 gram. So you will have how much? So this is our 84 gram, and this is 40 grams. So for B gram it will be your 40 into B by 84. This is the total weight of magnesium oxide, and previously it is given 2.2 grams. So weight of calcium oxide and magnesium oxide is 2.21 gram. So this is equal to same thing like a 2.21 grams already given here. So we can say yes. So this is the weight of 1.152 gram. So A plus B is 2.21 and 56 by 100 A and plus 40 by 84 B will be equal to, so loss of weight was, already we have seen it, loss of weight was 1.152 gram. This was the loss of weight for when calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate was heated. So now this is a simultaneous equation. If you solve it, so on solving you will get here A is equal to 1.19 gram, that is calcium oxide, and similarly if you solve it, B you will get here 1.02 gram. So these are the total weight of A and B, that is calcium oxide and calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, weight of these two products. Now they are asking moles of carbon dioxide is formed. So moles of carbon dioxide is nothing but the moles of calcium carbonate and moles of magnesium carbonate. So it's a moles of you can write here moles of carbon dioxide is nothing but the moles of calcium carbonate, okay, and plus moles of magnesium carbonate. So in terms of A and B we can write here moles of calcium carbonate is how much, so it will be your 1.19 grams. Already this is okay, divided by 100, and for B moles of magnesium carbonate will be your 1.02 divided by 84, and this is equal to, if you solve it, so on solving you will get 0.024. So already I have calculated. So this is the total weight of carbon dioxide. So what is the volume of carbon dioxide? So volume of carbon dioxide will be, so this is the total weight, so we can write here 0.0241 gram, and at STP, so we have to take the total volume is at STP the volume is 22.4 liters. So this is gram, so we can write here 22,400 ml. This will total ml in terms of this one. So this is total equal to 539.8 ml. This is the total volume of carbon dioxide released from the calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. A solid mixture 5 gram that consists of lead nitrate and sodium nitrate, and is heating below 600 centigrade until the weight of residue was constant, and the loss of weight in weight is 28%. Find the amount of lead nitrate and sodium nitrate in mixture. So this is we have to find out. So first we have to write the whole equation. So equation is PbNO3. So this is a lead nitrate, and if you heat it, it is below 600 centigrade. So you will get product lead oxide, and then is your nitrogen dioxide, and plus next is our oxygen. So if you balance it, so on balancing, this is the 2 nitrogen oxide, this is half. Now this is balanced equation, and next our is sodium nitrate. So if you heat it sodium nitrate, so on heating you will get here sodium nitrite, NaNO2, and next product is oxygen. So both are giving oxygen. So if you balance it, this is balance it. Now this whole is balanced. Now weight of these two products given 5 gram. So let's take, this is A gram and this is the B gram. So A plus B gram is how much? So A plus B gram is your 5 gram. Total weight is given here. Now in this case, what is the loss of weight? Loss of weight is also given 28%. So these three gases are lost. So how much? This is a constant weight. So how much weight of this PbO and NaNO2 is left? So we can find out. So 28% is lost from the 5 gram. So we can write like this one. 28% into 5. Okay, and 5 minus 28% 5. So you will get the total weight of lead oxide and sodium nitrate will be. It will be on solving. So if you solve it, it is coming 3.6 gram. You solve it, you will get answer. This is weight of lead oxide and sodium nitrate. Now we have to find what is the weight of lead oxide and sodium nitrate. So if you are taking A gram, so what is the weight of lead oxide? So moles of lead nitrate is equal to moles of lead oxide, and moles of sodium nitrate is equal to moles of sodium nitrate. So both moles are equal. So if you take A gram, so we have to find the weight of PbO in terms of A. So molar mass of this is your 331 gram, and for this is how much? It is your 223. You can calculate. And similarly for molar mass of sodium nitrate is, if you solve it, is your here 85 gram. And if you solve molar mass of sodium nitrate, it will be your 69 gram. So these are the value. So what would be the weight of lead oxide and sodium nitrate? Because we know the total weight. So weight of PbO will be, so it will be your 2, you can write here 23 into A. So this is the weight of lead oxide divided by 331. And similarly weight of sodium nitrate will be, so if you can write, so this is your 69 divided by 85 into B, and this weight is total given 3.6 gram. So weight of this plus this is how much? If you solve it, it is coming 3.6 gram, and we know A plus B is given 5 gram. So we have two equations. One is equation 1 and second is equation 2. So this is a simultaneous equation. If you solve it, so you will get here A is equal to 3.32 gram and B will be equal to 1.68 gram. So already this is calculated. So if you know the process, you can easily find the answer. So A is your lead nitrate and B is your sodium nitrate. So Pb, we can write here Pb your NO3 whole twice. This is your sodium nitrate. So this is our answer of this questions. Rock contained as impurity a form of clay which loses 14.5% of its weight of water on prolonged heating, and 5 grams of chalk on heating shows a loss in weight due to evolution of CO2 and water by 1.507 gram. calculate the percentage of chalk in the sample. How do you solve this problem? So we have two samples. One is your clay and second is your calcium carbonate, that is chalk. Okay, and their mass is given 5 gram. That weight is 5 gram. So if you take suppose this is your A gram, this is your B gram. Calcium carbonate is B gram and clay is A gram. So total weight is your 5 gram. Now if you heat calcium carbonate, it will give you carbon dioxide, and it will give you water. This is there. So these two are lost. H2 and their weight is 1.507 gram. If you take an A gram, so A gram, so how much water is lost? So this is 14.5% of water is lost in case of A gram. So if you write in terms of A, so total loss of water in terms of percentage will be your 14.5 by 100 into A of clay. And same for carbon dioxide. So molar mass of carbon dioxide is your 100, and for molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100, and for carbon dioxide 44 gram. So 44 by 100 into your B, and if you sum it, and the total weight is given here. So loss of weight is given 1.5.07 gram. So if you solve it, A plus B is 5 gram, and this is given this much gram. So on solving, you can get what is the value of A. So A will be equal to 2.349 grams. So this is the weight of clay. Similarly, weight of chalk will be your 2.651 grams. The total weight is 5 gram. And what is the percentage of calcium carbonate? They are asking chalk. The chalk, we know the weight is how much? 2.651 gram, and the total weight is your 5 gram. If you multiply it by 100, so after multiplying, you will get total answer, that is 53%. This is our answer.